Good day, folks. How y'all doing? This is Wednesday the 13th. We just got back from St. John's and I went in and bought myself an anvil. Found one for years. I bought one the other year for, it was a 20-pound. Hardly big enough, I call it. So I got a called a steel anvil now from Princess Auto, 110 pound. Yeah, so cut it open. We're gonna lodge it down for a second. There it is, bottom up. Now I gotta get out there now. I'll get out and give you a look at him. Here we go. Yeah. Bit of oil on there now and cleaned up. And the hardy hole is about, what is that, inch? 3/4? 3/4, 7/8, somewhere around there. This pinhole. Yeah, should be alright. 50. Let's get the other one I'm putting on top. See what it says. Here we go, guys. Got two of them there. The 50 kilogram. That's the 20. Yeah. Should be alright. And yeah, and I got a smaller one up there. So he's the old type. The guy in Bada Vesta gave me. He's a 10-pound one. Pretty cool, eh? I'm gonna wipe her off now and see what we can do with them. Check back with you later. Steel there now. Flatten it out to about right there, and we're going to try to make a horseshoe. Anyhow, I'll get back to you shortly. Still nice and red in there. I had her shut off about, I don't know, 5 to 8 minutes. Yeah, pretty good. Stands holding up good. I made a new bracket, you see, to put her on. Welded it up the other day. The welding's not too bad there now. I got a new MIG welder. Yeah, so this what I done, made up frame put in. It's more sturdy instead of having on bricks. I didn't like that the other day, that's why I never took a video. It's all good. Anyhow, first thing I ever forged. I made up this one. Little, I call it horseshoe, but it's just a kind of hook. Now, this one here is for to put on the cast iron pot. Let's see if I can. There we go. I think, you can see, I got to start putting a punch of the hole there. I bought a punch today, and he's not doing good. Yeah, not really good. So I'm gonna make up a carbon one or something, a harder tip one. And my tongs don't go right together. It's hard for nipping this stuff. So I'm gonna have to make a new set. Overall, the anvil likes it. Solid. It's got a little bell to her. All the stuff on it there now, anyhow. So. Obviously, I need this here all cleaned up. I gotta take that old paint off because when I'm round this horn there, I'm putting the old black stuff on there, making it dirty. Anyway, so I'm gonna clean all this up and for the next round. Tell me what it thinks of it. I said now this is the first bit of forging I done. I had to chop off the hairs here. They're a bit too long. Yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up, please subscribe and all that good stuff, and hope to see a little bit of more forging. This hook come out of this little quarter rod, and this 3/8 come from this flat bar. Pretty cool, eh? And that's it for this video. Take care and all the best, and we'll see you on the next one.